Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Logitech G735. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones. Cool. But if it doesn't help you, we should turn off and turn on the headphones. So just press and hold power button. Here we go. And after that, press and hold again to turn on your headphones. Here we go. Now it should connecting. Yeah. And if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So just turn off your headphones. Then click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device. And after that, press and hold power button to turn on. And after that, Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode, if it automatically didn't enter to it. So now click on it at the device list. And we did it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold power button and Bluetooth button at the same time until the headphones is turned off. And this LED light, it starts blinking. Here we go. Now it should turn off. Click the information icon or settings icon here. Forget this device, forget device, also click pair new device if you have Android, and then turn on your headphones. And press and hold Bluetooth button. Now click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!